Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about, in the previous video I had discussed about types of physical quantity, that is physical quantities. First one is vector quantities. Second one is scalar quantities. And last one is tensor quantities. Okay, so in this video we will study about the vector quantities. Okay, so let's move. So here vector quantities, it means the physical quantities which have magnitude, as well as a specified direction, and obey law of vector addition, okay, are called vector quantities. It means the quantities which have magnitude, a specified direction, and law of vector addition, and obey law of vector addition, okay. So that vector have first one is magnitude, second one is specified direction, and third one is laws of vector addition, okay. So in the vector there are three terms like magnitude, specified direction, and laws of vector addition. It means if these three terms are present, so the quantities is called as vector quantities, okay. So the physical quantities which have magnitude, specified direction, and obey laws of vector addition called vector quantity, okay. And now we see that how to represent vector quantity in the form of geometry, okay. So let's see. Geometry in the sense in the form of geometry, and if we have geometry, it means a line, ray, okay. So here is first of all we have to draw a line, okay, and from here we start the line. So this point is called, and here the point line ends, okay. So this point is called head, and this point is called tail, okay. And if we not give any arrow in the line, that we cannot find that where the arrow is moving, like in upward direction or in downward direction, okay. So here we have already seen that vector have specified direction and also magnitude, and here the simple meaning of magnitude, it means length, okay, means length, and is specified direction, and here the arrow shows the direction and the length is what, fixed, okay. And also the specified direction, it means we can observe that the arrow shows upward direction, okay. So this head, or you can also write final point, and here initial, it means from where we start, initial point, and tail or initial point, and here head or final point. Okay, so and we can also say this point is called or starting point, and this one is called or terminal point. Okay, so I hope you understand this, how to represent vector quantity in the form of geometry. Okay, so let's move further. And now algebraic representation of vector quantities. Okay, so in previous page we have read that how to represent vector quantity in the form of geometry, and here we have to read about how to represent vector quantity in the form of algebraic. It means algebra. Okay, algebra, it means the alphabets. Okay, like A, B, C, D. So here our first point is any vector can be denoted by arrow over a letter. It means, for example, we can write A. What? Any vector can be denoted by arrow over a letter, and A is a letter, okay, and arrow over. It means in the upper side of the letter we have to write what? We have to draw an arrow like this, and also we can write. Okay, this shows what? This is denoted. The arrow shows that the letter is vector. Okay, and also we can write AB vector, BC vector, etc. Okay, but remember, we can never write like this A, B, C, and over here arrow over a letter. We can never write like this. This is not possible. Okay, so this is our first point, that any vector can be denoted by arrow over a letter. It means we have to first write a letter and draw a arrow like this. Okay, and our second point is any vector quantities can be denoted bar over a letter. So here any vector can be denoted as bar over a sample. For example, we can write bar. It means A, and this one is bar. If we give here this type of arrow, it becomes, this is also called a vector, but this one is called, any vector can be denoted by arrow. But if we don't give the arrow, this one is called bar. Okay, bar over a letter, and like this, and so on. And we can also write like this, AB, AC, BC, bar. Okay, so this is called a line over a letter called bar. So any vector quantity can be denoted by bar over a letter. And our third one is any vector quantities can be denoted by bold-faced letter. What is the meaning of bold-faced letter? So let's see with the help of examples. It means the letter become, it means we have to draw a bold letter like this, okay? It shows what? It shows vector, okay? And also like this also. And so on, okay? Here, this is called bold-faced letter, okay? So there are three types of representation that we can represent with the help of algebra, okay? First of all, we can denote arrow, denote by arrow over a letter, okay? And third one is bar over a letter, and last one is bold-faced letter, okay? So that's all for today, and in the next video we will discuss about magnitude and further, okay? So thank you, have a nice day.